Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve an easy one. This puzzle was designed and made by Jürgen Reiche from Siebenstein Spiele. Difficulty level of an easy one is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts, including this small square, inside the frame. But as you can see, you can easily put 4 parts inside and there is not enough space for the last tiny piece. The reason for that is the frame that has restrictions. As you can see, the corners here, they have these rounded parts. That means that if there were no these parts, you would be able to fit all 4 L-shaped parts inside, and then there will be plenty of space for the small square piece. But because of the restrictions, you can only fit some of the parts but not all of them, and you have to find a way how to put all 5 parts inside. The name of the puzzle Easy One comes from the simplicity of the puzzle, since it looks easy, just 5 parts, a frame. What can be easier? But try to find a way how to solve it, and probably you will spend quite some time before you will find the solution. If you like an easy one and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. As you could already see, it is not possible to solve it by just putting the parts like that, so you have to find another approach, and the other one will be quite interesting. What we have to do is to put parts like that. You will see that you can easily fit 4 parts, and there is some space in the middle that has a square shape, and you will be able to fit the last piece right in the middle. And that is the solution of an easy one. As you can see, not too complicated, but it will be not so easy to find it. If you like an easy one and you want to try some other great puzzle from Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.